I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading.
So my family took a road trip to Minneapolis, Minnesota. We spent about 5 hours in the car today. Tonight, my husband and older daughters are at the 21 Pilots concert while I'm doing homework with my other daughter in our hotel room. Not as exciting, but we're gonna make up for it tomorrow by hitting up the Minneapolis, Minnesota Temple and also the Mall of America.
I'm far away from Earth, and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait. I think I'll last a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this air. And now we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this.
To IKEA for some meatballs.
I'm far away from Earth, and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, I knew it when I met you. I'm not the only one who's alone. I'm not the only one hanging on. Tie me to someone who will love me. Oh, never in my life did I want to see you more than this. And every time you're lost, I wonder if you know you're missed. I'm breathing when I can, and I only hope you're watching this. I hope you know that I exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control,